Welcome to the Study Besties Guide to writing your research title and research questions. Your title for your research should include key information about the focus. You should try to make it concise yet descriptive. If I was to ask you, how would you summarise your research topic in a few words, what would you say? And could you use this information to form your title? From reading your title, the reader should get a real clear sense of the focus of the study, but also maybe information about the participants, the methodology, or the type of setting that the research has been conducted in. We've included some key examples here to help guide your title writing. Moving on to your research questions. Your research questions should be clear, so they should be clearly understandable to the reader. So does it clearly set out what you aim to do or achieve as a result of this research? They should be clearly connected to the data. So is it clear how your research questions link into your methods of data collection? They should be answerable. So are they actually achievable? Can you collect data that will help you to answer these questions? They should be interconnected, so they should relate to each other in some meaningful way. And they should be interesting and worthwhile questions. So are they worthy of study? Is it something that's going to benefit or add to our knowledge and understanding on your chosen topic? So here are some example research questions. Typically speaking, you'll have 3 to 5 research questions that guide your study. You can write them as questions, or you can use language such as to identify, to compare, to examine. So consider what's relevant for your research topic and what you actually want to find out and answer as a result of your research. So, what are your research questions? Key questions to consider are: what do you want to achieve through conducting your research? What do you want to be able to answer? Some top tips are to avoid a research question that can be answered via a simple internet search. So, for example, what policies or legislation exist in relation to teenage pregnancy? But an interesting twist on that might be to explore practitioners' views and perspectives on the effectiveness of those interventions. You can also try and improve your research questions by avoiding a yes or a no answer. So overall, your research questions should be what you are trying to achieve through your research, and they should guide your data collection and the focus of your literature. Best of luck in writing your title and your research questions.